Retirees owning stocks? Isn't that, like, financial suicide?
Hold up. Not all stocks, Elena. Yeah.
Yeah? The Dow? Boomer ETF alert. That's your alpha? Seriously?
Patience. S&P's a wild ride, right? VIX spiking, consumer sentiment tanking chose.
Yeah, I'm wrecked enough already. Tell me something I don't know.
Most retail traders are bag holders in the wrong games. Chasing hype, not stability. They're trapped.
Okay. So, DIA, less drama, more ZZ?
No. Smart drama. Think Goldman Sachs, Caterpillar, Microsoft. Dividend powerhouses. Monthly checks.
Monthly checks? Like, legit income? What's the catch? Expense ratio gotta be insane.
Barely registers. It's practically free alpha. Low volatility and consistent returns.
Okay, I'm listening but still skeptical. Why the Dow over the S&P?
Liquidity is everything. DIA lets you sidestep the tech bro squeeze plays. Real-time volatility creates opportunity, without the existential dread.
So, safer income in a dumpster fire market? Less chance of getting wrecked?
Precisely. Ditch the meme stocks. Build a portfolio that pays you while you sleep.
Okay, Boomer, maybe you're onto something. So, DIA is my ticket to early retirement?
It's a smart start to building a solid foundation. Control your risk, control your future.
Alright, I'm in. Time to collect my monthly checks.
That's the mindset.
This is educational content, not financial advice. Trading is risky. Follow for daily alpha.